Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ecomoment 4K Dash Cam. The Ecomoment 4K Dash Cam is a cutting-edge device designed to capture your driving experiences in stunning detail. With a video resolution of up to 2160p, this dashcam ensures that every moment on the road is recorded in ultra-high definition. The Super Night Vision technology takes it a step further, delivering clear and sharp video footage even in low light conditions, thanks to its ability to adapt to various lighting situations. Equipped with WDR, Wide Dynamic Range, technology, this dashcam prevents overexposure caused by inadequate light or direct sunlight, providing a more comfortable and visually pleasing recording experience. The night vision function enhances its performance in low light, especially when paired with car headlights, ensuring that crucial details are captured even during nighttime drives. One standout feature is the G sensor with emergency lock functionality. The variable sensitivity G sensor can detect sudden collisions and instantly lock the video file, preventing it from being overwritten. This feature acts as a safeguard, preserving crucial video evidence in the event of an accident and helping to resolve driving disputes. Number 2. NEXPOW Dash Cam. The NEXPOW T7J6 HD Dual Dash Cam is like your trusty co-pilot, always ready to capture the unexpected and keep you safe on the road. With its sleek design and discreet placement, it doesn't distract you from driving while ensuring it stays off the radar of potential thieves. This dynamic duo of cameras, with front recording in FHD 1080p and rear in HD 720p, delivers a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Day or night, the WDR technology kicks in, ensuring clear visuals by adjusting to low light or exposure challenges. License plates and road signs won't escape its watchful eye. Despite its compact size, this car camera doesn't skimp on features. It's got the whole package: loop recording, G sensor, parking mode, motion detection, and even a screensaver. It's like having a personal guardian for your vehicle, ready to document any incidents and provide that extra layer of security. Number 3. NEXPOW Dash Cam. The NEXPOW Dash Cam is a sleek and compact device designed to capture your journey on the road with impressive detail and safety features. Its elliptical cylinder body houses a 1.47-inch IPS screen, strategically positioned to avoid distraction while driving and to deter potential thieves. The dual lens setup allows simultaneous recording of both front and rear views in 4K and 1080p resolutions respectively. What sets this dashcam apart is its dedicated interior driver-facing camera with IR night vision. This feature ensures optimal performance even in low light conditions, providing clear and detailed footage, especially during nighttime driving. The emphasis on capturing high-quality video serves as an additional layer of safety, offering comprehensive evidence to safeguard both drivers and passengers. The NEXPOW dashcam is equipped with practical features such as continuous loop recording, 24-hour motion detection parking monitor, and a G sensor for accident emergency lock. Number 4. NEXPOW Dash Cam. The NEXPOW T7J6 HD Dual Dash Cam is like your silent co-pilot, always there to capture the details of your journey. Its discreet design won't steal your attention from the road, and the 3-inch LCD screen strikes the perfect balance between visibility and unobtrusiveness. With dual cameras offering FHD 1080p for the front and HD 720p for the rear, you get a complete visual record of your surroundings. The magic happens in low light or tricky exposure situations, thanks to the WDR technology. It's like having a camera that's as adaptable as you are, making sure that every detail is clear and crisp, day or night. Don't let the small size fool you. The NEXPOW dashcam is a powerhouse with features like loop recording, a G sensor, parking mode, motion detection, and a screensaver. It's like having a watchful eye even when you're not behind the wheel. Number 5. NEXPOW Car Dashcam 3-channel. The NEXPOW Car Dashcam 3-channel, specifically the NEXPOW DC305V, is a robust triple-channel dashcam designed to provide comprehensive coverage of your vehicle. Its 3 cameras offer a wide field of view, 155 degrees for the front, 165 degrees for the inside, and 160 degrees for the rear. This setup allows simultaneous monitoring of the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle, enhancing your safety on the road. The camera system records in high resolution, with a configuration of 1440p for the front camera, and 1080p for both the interior and rear cameras. In dual recording mode, the front camera can achieve an impressive 4K resolution, 2160p, while the rear camera maintains a resolution of 1080p. The rear camera is highly adjustable, with a 360 degrees rotation capability and a 20 feet extension cable, making it suitable for various vehicle types, including cars, SUVs, Jeeps, and trucks.